In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Klaviyo account. This is a quick setup process, and by the end, you will have your Klaviyo account created and ready to connect to your store platform. First, open your web browser and go to klaviyo.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the Get Started option and select it. This will take you to the account creation page, where you can begin setting up your new account. Next, you will enter the email address you want to use for this Klaviyo account. Make sure it is an email you can access, because it is commonly used for important account messages and verification. After that, create a strong password. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to make it harder to guess. It also helps to avoid common words or anything that is easy to associate with your business. In the same area, you will also be asked to type your company website. Enter the website address for your business. If you have more than one site, use the main one tied to the store or brand you want to manage in Klaviyo. This helps Klaviyo tailor parts of the setup and can make it easier to connect your marketing tools later. Once you have entered your email, set your password, and added your company website, you are ready to create the account. Go ahead and click Create Account. Give it a moment to process and move you into the next part of the onboarding flow. Now you will select your platform. In this step, choose the e-commerce platform you use, such as Shopify. When you see Shopify, select it and choose the option to connect. This is an important step because connecting your platform allows Klaviyo to sync key customer and order data, which helps with email and SMS marketing features like automated flows and targeted campaigns. After you complete the platform selection and connection, your Klaviyo account is created. At this point, you are officially inside your new account and can continue with any additional onboarding prompts that appear. And that is all there is to it.